Here I have SONY Xperia 10 and let me show you how to use here secret codes on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's open here the phone's dialer. Let's activate the keypad and let's use the following secret code. *## 7378423 #*#. As you can see, service menu just pops up. Here you can navigate by tapping appropriate options. Then you can choose here service info, and here you can get access to hidden information about your device. For example, model info, the software version. You can check out also the SIM lock information, the firmware and other stuff. Let's go back if you would like to go to the following menu. Here you can use the service test. It's also really important and useful. So let me open this mode. Here you can test a few things, for example, the display. You can also test here the speaker and other stuff. Let's go back right here. Now let's open the next mode. So let's use here the Android testing menu. You need to use the following code: *##4636 #*#. The following menu should pop up. Here you can open the phone information when you've got access to IMEI number, phone number, current network, signal strength. You can also use here more key and select radio band, view SIM address book or view fixed dialing numbers. So let's go back. You can also open here usage statistics. Here you've got last time use or usage time. Use back key again, and it's time to open the Wi-Fi information. Here you can select Wi-Fi API, when you can disable network, disconnect network, enable network, get configure networks or get connection info. You can also here choose the Wi-Fi config and Wi-Fi status. That's it. Let's use the back key to quit this menu. It's time to open the calendar info. So we need to use the *## 225 ***, and the calendar information just pops up in front of you. So if you have some info from your calendar, you should see it right here. And now it's time to open the Google Play services. So let's use the *## 426 ***, and the Google Play services just pops up in front of you. Use back key again, and to open the IMEI number, let's use the *##, the *#06#, the following code, and the IMEI number just pops up in front of you. That's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.